Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of first sector. Topic is mole concept. It is very important topic. So now what is the mole? What is mole? So mole is the SI unit used to measure the amount of a substance. So in chemistry we can measure the amount of a substance in which unit? Mole. So mole is the SI unit used to measure the amount of a substance. So 1 mole of a substance, 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance is always containing 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. Particles means atoms, molecules or ions. So 1 mole of any substance is always containing how many number of particles? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. Particle means atoms, molecules or ions. Some of the substances are containing atoms, some of the substances are containing molecules, some of the substances are containing ions. So you remember it, 1 mole of any substance is always containing this constant number of particles, and this constant number is known as Avogadro's constant and denoted by the symbol of Na. So this constant number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, this constant number is also known as Avogadro's constant or Avogadro's number denoted by the symbol of Na. So you remember it, 1 mole of any substance, that substance may be in the liquid state, that may be in the gaseous state, that may be in the solid state. So 1 mole of any substance at any state is containing this constant number of particles, and this number of particles is known as Avogadro's constant or Avogadro's number. जैसे कि 1 दर्जन एप्पल बोलने से कितना नंबर्स होता है? 12 numbers. Always constant it is. 1 dozen egg equal to how many numbers? 12 numbers. 1 dozen book, always how many number? 12 number. Similarly, 1 mole of a substance always containing how many number of particles? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 numbers. किसी बुक में ये क्या लिखा? 6.022 लिखा, किसी बुक में 6.023 लिखा, और हम लोग क्या कंसीडर किया? 6.02 कंसीडर किया. So don't confuse it. So 1 mole of any substance at any state is containing that how many number of particles? This number of particles. Particle means either atoms, molecules or ions, and this constant number is known as Avogadro's constant. So amount of a substance, amount of any substance we can measure in which unit? Mole. And mole is the SI unit used to measure the amount of a substance. So amount of a substance we can also measure in terms of gram. Amount of a substance we can also now we are going to relate the mole with weight with mass of the substance, and we are going to relate mole of a substance with volume of the substance. In this line, we express the mole in terms of number of particles. So mole of a substance we can express in terms of molecules. Mole of a substance we can relate with the amount of the substance in gram. Mole we can relate with the amount of the substance in volume. So now we are going to discuss how mole is related to gram, volume, gram and volume of the substance. So let us consider 1 mole of a substance. So 1 mole of a substance is always containing 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of particles. Particle means atoms, molecules or ions. And 1 mole of a substance is equal to how many amount of the substance? Gram molecular mass of the substance or gram atomic mass of the substance. Regarding molecular mass, regarding atomic masses, we have discussed in our previous video. So 1 mole of a substance is equal to ग्राम molecular mass of the substance. जब molecular mass को किसी एक substance का molecular mass को ग्राम में लिखा जाता है, then that molecular mass is called gram molecular mass. जब एक substance का एक element का atomic mass को जब ग्राम में लिखा जाता है, that mass is called gram atomic mass. Normally molecular mass and atomic mass AMU एटॉमिक मास यूनिट में एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, नहीं तो यूनिफाइड मास यू में एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है. जब एक सब्सटेंस का मोलिकुलर मास को ग्राम में लिखने से दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास, एंड एक सब्सटेंस का एटॉमिक मास को ग्राम में लिखने से ग्राम एटॉमिक मास बोला जाता है. सो 1 मोल ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस is equal to how many amount of the substance? Gram molecular mass of the substance or gram atomic mass of the substance. So 1 mole of a substance is always containing how many number of particles? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles, and this constant number is known as Avogadro's constant. Similarly, 1 mole of a substance is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter of volume at NTP. That means at NTP 1 mole of any gas is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter, and this constant number, this constant volume is known as molar volume. ये constant volume को क्या बोला जाता है? Molar volume बोला जाता है. So 1 mole of a gas, volume is related to only a gaseous substance. So 1 mole of any gas at NTP is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter, and this constant volume is known as what? Molar volume. So 1 mole of any substance is containing this constant number of particle. It is known as Avogadro's constant. 1 mole of any substance is equal to either gram molecular mass of the substance or gram atomic mass of the substance. 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter at NTP, and this constant volume is also known as molar volume. So now let us consider an example. Let us consider an example. Let us consider now 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. Let us consider now how many mole of a carbon dioxide gas? 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. So carbon dioxide, it is a substance. Carbon dioxide is containing carbon dioxide molecules. So it is a substance. This is a substance in which is the gaseous state. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas is containing how many carbon dioxide molecules according to the mole concept? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide present in 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. So according to mole concept, 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas is containing how many number of carbon dioxide molecules? Avogadro's number of carbon dioxide molecules. And everybody know that, we know that molecules are again made up by atoms. So 1 mole carbon dioxide gas is containing how many number of carbon and oxygen atoms? Because carbon dioxide gas is containing carbon and oxygen atoms. So in 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, how many total number of atoms? Carbon atom 1, oxygen atom how many? 2. 1 carbon dioxide molecule में 3 atoms है. 1 carbon atom, another one is oxygen atom. So molecules को number of atoms में convert करने के लिए ये जो Avogadro's constant है इनको multiply करना पड़ेगा by the number of atoms present in a molecule. Carbon dioxide molecule में total कितना atoms है? 3 atoms. 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom. So 1 mole carbon dioxide gas में कितना atoms है फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये Avogadro's नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा नंबर ऑफ एटॉम्स प्रेजेंट इन ए मॉलिक्यूल. सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल में टोटल कितना एटॉम्स है? 3. तो 3 से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Avogadro's नंबर को 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा टू डिटरमाइन द नंबर ऑफ एटॉम्स. So 1 mole carbon dioxide gas is containing Avogadro's number of molecules. So 1 mole carbon dioxide gas is containing how many number of atoms? 3 into Avogadro's number of atoms. In any substance, number of atoms are higher than the number of molecules, because molecules are made up by the atoms. Now, 1 mole of a carbon dioxide gas equal to how many gram of the gas? So 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas equal to gram molecular mass of the carbon dioxide gas. So carbon dioxide gas का molecular mass कितना है? 44 ग्राम. कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? In carbon dioxide carbon atom 1 है, atomic mass of carbon is 12, 1 into 12 plus in carbon dioxide how many oxygen atoms are here? 2 into atomic mass of oxygen 16, then 1 into 12 plus 16 into 2 32. ये यूनिफाइड मास में, क्योंकि एटॉमिक मास को यूनिफाइड मास नहीं तो AMU में लिखा जाता है. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी U? 44 U. और U को हम लोग ग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर देने से दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास. सो हाउ मेनी ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? 44 ग्राम. सो 44 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस? Equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. That means 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas equal to how many gram of the carbon dioxide gas? 44 gram. What is 44 gram? 44 gram is the gram molecular mass of the carbon dioxide gas. Is equal to how many volume of the carbon dioxide gas? So 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas equal to is occupying 22.4 liter volume at NTP. NTP means NTP full form है normal temperature and pressure. Normal temperature and pressure is known as NTP. NTP full form क्या है? Normal temperature and pressure. In chemistry, normal temperature is considered as 0 degree Celsius, and according to our previous concept 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. There are 3 different scales to measure the temperature of a substance: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Kelvin is the Temperature, Kelvin is the temperature in SI unit. So normal pressure is equal to how many? Normal pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Atmosphere is one of the common unit of pressure. There are different units are used to measure the pressure. तो डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस जो टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस किया था, डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस में जो प्रेशर का डिफरेंट यूनिट है this is already given. So NTP means normal temperature and pressure. Normal temperature is how many? 0 degrees Celsius, and normal pressure is how many? 1 atmosphere. That means at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 mole carbon dioxide gas is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter of volume. And this constant volume is known as what? This is known as molar volume. It is known as molar volume. This constant volume is known as molar volume. Let us consider one more example. Let us consider now one more example. Let us consider now one more example. Let us consider now 1 mole of nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas is containing nitrogen molecule. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is containing how many nitrogen molecules? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is containing how many number of nitrogen atoms? 2 into Avogadro's number of nitrogen atoms are present in 1 mole of nitrogen gas. 2 कहाँ से आया? नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल में 1 molecule of nitrogen is containing how many nitrogen atoms? 2. और ये नंबर को एटॉमिसिटी बोला जाता है. नाइट्रोजन का एटॉमिसिटी कितना है? 2. सो मॉलिक्यूल्स को एटॉम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए एवोगाड्रोस नंबर को एटॉमिसिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो रिमेंबर इट, मॉलिक्यूल्स को एटॉम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम लोग एवोगाड्रोस नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? एटॉमिसिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाइट्रोजन का एटॉमिसिटी कितना है? 2. सो मॉलिक्यूल्स को एटॉम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए एवोगाड्रोस नंबर को एटॉमिसिटी से मल्टीप्लाई किया is equal to how many gram of nitrogen gas? So 1 mole of nitrogen gas equal to how many gram of nitrogen gas is equal to molecular mass of the nitrogen. So nitrogen atom का atomic mass 14 into 2, how many? 28 gram. So 28 gram is the molecular mass of the nitrogen gas. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter at NTP. वॉल्यूम का बारे में मेंशन करने से NTP लिखना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि only at NTP condition 1 mole of a gas is occupying how many volume? 22.4 liter. So these are 2 examples we are discussing to explain about the mole concept. Now we are going to discuss, given amount of a substance, how we can convert it into mole. Suppose, this is an important note for you, suppose you have W gram of a substance. So W gram substance को हम लोग मोल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो मोल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे W ग्राम सब्सटेंस को? मोल को शॉर्टली हम लोग MOL ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है. सो वी हैव हाउ मेनी ग्राम ऑफ द सब्सटेंस? W ग्राम सब्सटेंस. सो W ग्राम सब्सटेंस इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मोल ऑफ द सब्सटेंस? सो W ग्राम सब्सटेंस को मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए गिवन मास हाउ मेनी ग्राम? W ग्राम. You have to divide it by the either atomic mass or molecular mass of the substance. Capital M represents here either atomic mass or molecular mass of the substance. So given mass divided by molecular mass or atomic mass is equal to number of moles of the substance. For example, 16 gram of oxygen gas we have in a container. We have 16 gram of oxygen in a container, then equal to how many mole of oxygen gas? So given mass 16 ग्राम, तो गिवन मास को हम लोग ऑक्सीजन का मोलर मास से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. सो गिवन मास हाउ मेनी ग्राम? 16 ग्राम. हाउ मेनी मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? 32. ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक मास 16. सो ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल में दो ऑक्सीजन एटॉम है. 16 into 2 how many gram? 32 gram. So this is equal to how many mole? This is equal to 1/2, मतलब half mole of oxygen. So 16 gram of oxygen equal to how many mole of oxygen? Half mole of oxygen or 0.5 mole of oxygen. So जब एक सब्सटेंस का क्वांटिटी मास पे गिवन होगा, गिवन मास को मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए गिवन मास को मोलर मास से डिवाइड करना है. So one more point. Suppose the amount of a substance given in volume. Suppose you have V liter of a gas at NTP. So we have V liter of a gas at NTP in a container. So वॉल्यूम का बारे में मेंशन करने से NTP टर्म आना ही पड़ेगा. So at NTP a container is containing how many volume of the gas? V liter. So V liter गैस को हम लोग क्या करना है? हम लोग मोल में कन्वर्ट करना है. So किसी भी सब्सटेंस का वॉल्यूम को मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए गिवन वॉल्यूम को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा बाय द मोलर volume of the substance. So given volume of the substance divided by molar volume is equal to number of moles of the substance. So V liter of a gas at NTP is equal to how many mole of the gas? Given volume of the gas divided by molar volume 22.4 liter. For example, you have 11.2 liter of nitrogen gas. 11.2 liter of which gas? Nitrogen gas. Equal to how many mole of the gas? Given volume here 11.2 liter and molar volume 22.4 liter. So given volume divided by molar volume, then you have the number of moles of the gas. This is equal to 1/2. Equal to how many mole? Half mole. So 11.2 liter of nitrogen gas at NTP equal to how many mole of the gas? How many mole of the nitrogen gas? 1/2 mole. मतलब half mole of the nitrogen gas. So one more relation. Suppose you have n naught numbers of molecules of a substance. So we are considering a substance. In this substance, how many number of molecules are present? N naught. So number of molecules को हम लोग क्या करना है? मोल में कन्वर्ट करना है. So number of molecules को मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए given number of molecules को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा by the Avogadro's number. What is the Avogadro's number? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 mole. So given number of molecule divided by Avogadro's number is equal to number of moles of the gas. For example, we have 6.02 into 10 to the power suppose 22 numbers of molecules of a gas. Molecules of a gas. Then equal to how many mole of the gas? कैसे मोल में कन्वर्ट करोगे? सो हम लोग नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स को मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ये जो गिवन नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स है given number of molecules 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 10 to the power 22 इनको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा by the Avogadro's number. So 6.02 cancelled out, then this is equal to 10 to the power 22 into 10 to the power minus 23, that means 10 to the power minus 1 mole, that means 1 by 10 mole. So these are important relations you have to remember. Using this relation you can convert weight of a substance into gram, you can convert volume of a substance into gram, you can convert number of molecules of a substance into gram. So thank you for today. Next day we will discuss various numericals, various problems related to the mole concept. Thank you.